Hey, thanks, man.
Oh, hey, thanks, man.
Oh my god, thanks, bro. Hey, man, I just realized. Why do you always give out gifts so often? Even not on special occasions.
Yeah, it's not even any of our birthdays today.
Well, you know.
When I was a kid, let's just say that a special someone gave me hope. A warm feeling that meant everything to me. From then on, I just wanted to give people something that I didn't have back then.
So yeah, that's why I do what I do. So yeah, you guys wanna go? Alright, sure, man.
Hey.
Hey.
You know what? After we had that conversation with Lee, I decided to get you something.
What? No way.
Why?
Because I got you something too.
Really?
Yeah. I mean, it's not much, but
This is what I
still
got
something.
you. Wow, this is such a coincidence.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.